This is a Cooper chain tool that ordered by the municipality of Anchorage through Alaska Industrial Hardware from Cooper Tools, and I believe this was shipped out of North Carolina. I want to demonstrate the jaws binding on this unit. If you notice, I have the nut that goes on the jaws has been completely removed. I've lubricated the jaws, internal, external, and the bolt just recently, and 5 minutes ago. And when I actuate the tool itself crimps just fine, but when the tool goes to retract, that is not the way it was when we took it out of the box. So let's try this one more time so you can see it again. I have serviced the hydraulics on the pump itself. The hydraulics are good. I bled it per the manual. If you take a look over here, we have the HK Porter manual hanging on the wall over there. And one more time, so that you can see this run. I'm trying to give you an overhead view of this. Actuated. The return's just not very fast. I've taken the bolt out of the head. I've also lubed the pins in here as well. Any inputs welcome on this. The other tool, the chain cutting tool we have, works fine. This is where I made the adjustment to keep the head, to keep the crimping side from deadheading at the top. If you'll notice, when this unit's full closed, that we do have a gap. One more time, there is a gap between the teeth, so this isn't deadheading. And that gap is actually a little larger than what I think you folks recommended, but I believe it's going to be good enough for the size hook that we have. It's working just fine. But the return on this, for the tool back to open, we mass produce quite a few chains here over the winter, and having to wait for that tool to open and close adds a significant bit of time to what we're doing with. And just for gee whizzes, this barn will have 32 motor graders in it with 4 chains per tire. So we make a lot of chains. My name is Brian Martin. My phone number and email address will be referenced with this.